In the UK construction industry, it's common to see engineers shifting their careers towards quantity surveying. While engineering and quantity surveying are distinct professions, they share significant overlaps, so often making the transition can be relatively seamless for many professionals. It is important to note that what we run through in this video will not always be the case when making the move from engineer to QS, but in certain circumstances, people make the change for some of the following reasons. Higher earning potential and career growth. One of the primary reasons engineers transition to QSing is the potential for higher salaries and greater career stability. While engineering roles, especially site-based ones, offer solid pay, quantity surveyors can often enjoy more lucrative salary packages, particularly as they gain experience. Senior QS professionals, commercial managers, and cost consultants can earn significantly more than many engineering roles, making the switch financially attractive. Additionally, career progression in QSing tends to be clearer and more structured. Many QS professionals move up to senior roles, such as commercial directors, more quickly than engineers do in technical roles. Work-life balance and less site work. Site engineers, civil engineers, and structural engineers often work long hours in demanding site conditions, dealing with unpredictable weather and high-pressure project deadlines. In contrast, QSs typically work in office environments with a more predictable schedule. While site visits are still required, they are far less frequent compared to the daily responsibilities of a site-based engineer. Overlapping skill sets. The transition from engineering to QSing is made easier by the fact that both roles require strong numerical, analytical, and problem-solving skills. Engineers already have a solid understanding of construction methods, materials, and project workflows. Knowledge that can be invaluable for a QS when managing costs, contracts, and budgets. Exposure to commercial and financial aspects. Many engineers become more involved in cost control, contract negotiations, and project management as they progress in their careers. This exposure sparks an interest in the commercial side of construction, leading them to explore quantity surveying as a long-term career option. Increased demand for quantity surveyors. The UK construction industry has been experiencing a skill shortage in quantity surveying, driving demand for professionals who understand both technical and financial aspects of construction. As a result, many firms actively encourage engineers to retrain as QS professionals, sometimes even offering financial support for further qualifications such as RICS accreditation. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.